In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Proton Mail email address. Start by opening Proton Mail in your web browser and signing into your account so you land on your inbox. At the top of the page, look for the settings toggle, usually shown as a small gear icon. Click that to open the quick settings panel. From there, select all settings to switch into the full settings area where you have access to every control you'll need. On the left-hand side, find and click Identity and Addresses. This section is where Proton Mail groups everything related to your sender identity and the email addresses attached to your account. Once you're on that page, scroll down until you see the My Addresses section. Here you'll see a list of addresses associated with your account, including any aliases or additional addresses you've created. Locate the specific address you want to remove and take a moment to double check it. Deleting the wrong address can interrupt how people reach you, and once removed, that address won't receive new messages. When you're sure, look for the small drop-down or More Options button next to that address. Click it to reveal the available actions. Choose Delete Address. Proton Mail may prompt you to confirm the deletion. Read the on-screen message carefully, then continue if everything looks correct. If you run into a notice about limits or restrictions, that's normal. Proton Mail can block deletion in certain cases, such as when you've hit an account limit or if the address is set as your primary. In those situations, follow the guidance shown on screen to resolve the restriction before trying again. After the deletion, remember that new mail sent to that address won't arrive in your inbox. It's a good idea to check any filters, signatures, or sending identities tied to that address and make adjustments so your messages continue working as expected. And that's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Identity and Addresses, found My Addresses, selected the right entry, and deleted it safely. Thanks for watching and take care.